This ELOHEI Fast Car Charger is custom-shaped for late-model Toyota RAV4 interiors, so it drops into the factory socket and looks like original equipment rather than an add-on accessory. The multiport design is a standout with retractable Type-C cables, separate USB Type-C and USB Type-A outlets, and included adapters so passengers can power several different devices at once without clutter. Charging performance is impressively brisk thanks to modern power delivery and quick charge support, making it realistic to top up a phone or tablet during a normal commute instead of needing an all-day drive. Installation is genuinely simple because the unit locks into the existing console opening without tools or wiring, so you can go from unboxing to working charger in just a few moments. Build quality feels solid for daily use with a snug fit that does not rattle, reinforced pull-out cables, and integrated protection against overcurrent and short circuits to safeguard your electronics. Subtle multicolor lighting around the ports makes it easy to find connections in the dark while also giving the RAV4 cabin a more modern high-tech look at night.